My name is Shdo. I am a personal trainer and a women's coaching specialist with a background in movement functional therapy. My focus is to encourage women to be strong, confident, and comfortable in their own skin. I have a holistic approach. It's not just about physical fitness. It's about lifestyle, mindset, and overall well-being. Women deal with a lot of societal pressures, and we either block it out and stuff it down, or we disconnect. Both of those, we end up absorbing the pain and the stress, and it shows in many ways. So before we even train, we work on breath work. Breath work allows us to drop the stress off at the door and helps us connect with our bodies and be present. By doing our breath work, we also work on pelvic floor engagement, which is a thing that women really need to work on, and it's extremely underrated, and not many people know what that even means. So we work on that, and that will kickstart us into our workout. If you're interested, let's take the next step. You can reach out to me through my website at ShdoFitness.com.